is Shelly with the Schultz Ford in Wexford. I'm the Express Manager, and we are going to give you a couple tips to save you in the long run. So first tip is to have your tire pressure checked once a month. Even though we check it every time you come in for service, people don't realize that you should be checking it once a month because it does fluctuate constantly. It can affect your gas mileage. It can also affect your ride quality as well in the long term. For our second tip, every time you come in, we do check everything over, as well as with our vehicle checkups. But when we recommend the air filter, it's very important that you do so. That's where all the air comes into the engine, and when they're dirty, they can affect the quality of the engine, how it's running, and also affect gas mileage again. So make sure you're replacing them as we recommend them, which is usually about every 15,000 miles. For our last tip, I would make sure that when your gas is low in your tank, make sure you don't go below a quarter tank. It could affect the quality of your gas mileage, as well as if you get too low, sometimes the fuel pump can suck up air, which can cause you problems in the long run. So definitely make sure, do your best to keep it above a quarter tank, and you'll be safe. That was this week's Tuesday tip of the week. Thank you for watching.